Hello, welcome to Junji Kitchen. Autumn is setting in here. How is it there? Today I'm going to introduce one of Korean instant noodle, not ramen. Last year, I showed you how to make royal stir fry, which is japchae we call. I tried to make it as simple as possible, but still it could be a little bit difficult for you if you do not have every ingredient. That's why I'm going to introduce this particular instant noodle. Also, it's good when you live alone, but you feel like to have japchae, but it's a little bit nuisance to prepare all the noodles and sauces just for yourself. Well, in that case, you can use this instant noodle. This is the instant japchae. You can see the company logo and the picture of japchae. The boiling time for the noodle is just 5. It tells you how to cook this noodle on the back. Wow, it's just 255 calories for one pack. Really good for diet. I will show you what you can get from this package. Wow, there are some little sachets. This is glass noodles, quite thinner than normal ones. Looks like rice noodles somehow. Anyway, and this brown one is sesame oil. This is sachet for the sauce, and the main reason for recommending this instant japchae. It's really good. The last one is for the dried vegetables. I'm curious about this. Well, I'll open this. You can see many kinds of dried vegetables. Carrot could be, and the green ones, and even dried mushrooms. I think this brown one could be dried meat stuff. Well, not sure, but looks like it. Anyway, not bad, but this is not enough for japchae. And the reason I'm recommending this instant one is because you can use it up the leftover vegetables like this. Instead of spinach, I'm using capsicum because that's what I have. And I'm not using meat this time, but I'm going to use lots of mushroom this time. So this dish could be good for the vegans. However, I'm not vegan, so I'm going to add 1 egg for the protein. Preparing these ingredients just the same as the normal japchae, like this. Cooking instant japchae is exactly the same to ramen. Put the dried vegetables in the pot and pour the water and boil. After pouring water, you can see the brown stuff actually floating. You can get rid of if you're vegan. When the water boils, add the noodle. Frankly speaking, the whole procedure is quite almost exactly same to the ordinary homemade japchae procedure. However, this instant one gives you all the ingredients you need at once, and I think it's a really good benefit for you. Anyway, drain the water. The last part is quite easy. Just mix with already prepared ingredients and add sauce. This is soy sauce based one. And sesame oil. I don't think you need to add more soy sauce because of extra vegetables, but if you need, you can add a little bit of soy sauce or even sesame oil if you have. And I usually add a little bit of pepper last. Well, this is quite optional, but this is what I do usually. Are you curious where the egg's gone? I put it on top like this. I hope you can get this instant one around you. Then you can make japchae easily yourself. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you next time.